Question number 5. X square divided by 49 plus y square divided by 36 equals 1. A square greater than b square. So the general form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1. A square equals 49. A equals 7. B square equals 36. B equals 6. C square in a square minus b square, which is 49 minus 36. So C square is 13. C equals root 13. So how does my ellipse look? It is along the x-axis. So it will look like this. So what are the coordinates? Plus or minus a comma 0 x coordinate, plus or minus c comma 0, 0 comma plus or minus b. So what will be my foci? Plus or minus root 13 comma 0. Vertices will be plus or minus 7 comma 0 and 0 comma plus or minus 6. Length of the major axis 2a, which is 2 times 7, 14. Length of the minor axis 2b, which is 2 times 6, 12. Eccentricity is c by a, which is root 13 divided by 7. Lattice rectamodal length 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 6 square divided by a value which is 7. So this is 2 times 36 divided by 7, which is 72 divided by 7. Okay. Question number 6. X square divided by 100 plus y square divided by 400 equals 1. A square greater than b square. So it is of the form x square by b square plus y square by a square equals 1. So ellipse எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be along the y axis. So this is my ellipse and the coordinates will be 0 comma plus or minus a. A தெரிஞ்சா 0 comma plus or minus c. What is my other one? Plus or minus b comma 0. Okay, ஒன்னு தெரிஞ்சா மத்ததெல்லாம் எழுதிடலாம். So here a square is 400, a equals 20, b square is 100, b equals 10. C square in a square minus b square, which is 400 minus 100, which is 300. 300 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 3 times 10 into 10. So c equals root of this. So I have c equals 10 root 3. Okay. So இப்போ foci என்னது? It is 0 comma plus or minus 10 root 3. Vertices வந்து 0 comma plus or minus 20 and plus or minus 10 comma 0. Length of the major axis 2a, which is 2 times 20, 40. Length of the minor axis is 2b, which is 2 times 10, 20. Eccentricity equals c by a, which is 10 root 3 divided by 20. 10 and 20 போயிடும். So I have root 3 divided by 2. Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square divided by a, which is 2 into 10 into 10 divided by 20. 2 into 10, 20 போயிடும். So length of the lattice rectum is 10. Okay. Question number 7. 36x square plus 4y square equals 144. எனக்கு இந்த side 1 வேணும். So I'm going to divide the whole equation by 144. So I have 36x square divided by 144 plus 4y square divided by 144 equals 144 divided by 144. So என்ன ஆகும்? 36 4 ஆல போகுமா? 4 9s are 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 9 1s are 9 4s are. Here 4 1 times 4 36 times. இது cancel ஆயிடும். So I'll be left with x square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 36 equals 1. So a square is greater than b square. So what is my general form? X square by b square plus y square by a square equals 1. So how does your ellipse look like? It is along the y axis. So it will look something like this. Coordinates எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be 0 comma plus or minus a, 0 comma plus or minus c. a வும் c யும் ஒரே இதுல தான் இருக்கும். Plus or minus b comma 0. Okay. So my foci. So I have a square equals 36, a equals 6, b square equals 4, b equals 2. So I have c square equals a square minus b square, which is 32. 4, 8, 32. So C will be 4 root 2. So foci என்னவா இருக்கும்? Foci 0, plus or minus C. So it's 0, plus or minus 4 root 2. What is this என்ன? 0, plus or minus 6 and plus or minus 2, 0. What is the length of the major axis? 2a equals 2 times 6, which is 12. Minor axis 2 times 2, which is 4. Eccentricity C by A. C enna 4 root 2 divided by 6. So 2, 3. So it is 2 root 2 divided by 3. Length of the lattice rectum enna 2b square divided by A, which is 2 times 2 square divided by 6. So I have 4 by 3. Okay. Question number 8. 16x square plus y square equals 16. So dividing the whole equation by 16, I have x square by 1 plus y square by 16 equals 1. A square is greater than b square. So the A. So what is the general equation? X square by b square plus y square by a square equals 1. So a square 16 na a is 4. B square 1 na b is 1. So c square equals a square minus b square, which is 15. C equals root 15. So how does my ellipse look like? It is along the y-axis. So enala coordinates? It will be 0, plus or minus a, 0, plus or minus c, plus or minus b, 0. So my foci would be 0, plus or minus c. So it's 0, plus or minus root 15. What is this enna? 0, plus or minus 4 and plus or minus 1, 0. This is nothing but 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. Adha na consolidate panni ore coordinates edutren. Okay, that is the difference. Then the length of the major axis is 2a, which is 2 times 4, 8. Length of the minor axis is 2b, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. Eccentricity is c by a, which is c enna root 15 divided by 4. Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 1 square divided by 4. So I have 1 by 2. Okay. Question number 9. It is very similar to the example question. 4x square plus 9y square equals 36. So dividing the whole equation by 36, I have x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals 1. A square is greater than b square. So it is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1. So ellipse eppadi irukum? It will be along the x coordinate. So it will be something like this. So coordinates enava irukum? Plus or minus a, 0, plus or minus c, 0, 0, plus or minus b. Inga a irukku, major axis la, minor axis la b, and this is your foci 1, this is your focus 2. Okay. Now a square is 9, a equals 3, b square is 4, b equals 2. C square is a square minus b square, c equals root 5. So foci enadhu? This plus or minus root 5, 0. Vertices plus or minus 3, 0 and 0, plus or minus 2. Length of the major axis is 2 times 3, which is 6. Length of the minor axis is 2b, which is 2 times 2, 4. Eccentricity is c by a, which is root 5 divided by 3. Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 2 square divided by 3, which is 8 by 3.